Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will tell you about Malaysian Government Scholarship 2021-22 fully funded. So in this video I will tell you about which degree programs are eligible, who can apply for it, is IELTS or TOEFL necessary for this scholarship, or is there any application fee or it's free. So let me tell you, the applications are invited to apply for the fully funded Malaysian Government Scholarship 2021-22. Good thing is that no IELTS or TOEFL required. The scholarship is open to all international students from all around the world to study graduate degree programs in Malaysian universities. Malaysia has gained popularity during the last few years. This is one of the finest opportunities to complete your master's degree from Malaysian universities. So actually this scholarship is for master degree programs, and no IELTS and TOEFL is required. It's not must that you have IELTS or TOEFL, and a wide range of academic fields is available for full-time master degree program. Participants' ages should not more than 45 years. The duration of Malaysian Government Scholarship is 12 to 24 months. It is 1 or 2-year degree program. The scholarship will be taken at Malaysian public and private universities. There are many scholarships announced in Malaysia during the last few days. More than 34,500 participants from 144 developing countries have benefited. The Malaysian scholarship will cover all the expenses for the full duration of program. There is no application fee. The full detail about Malaysian scholarship is given below. So detail about Malaysian Government Scholarship. Its country of study is Malaysia. It's offered by Ministry of Education Malaysia. Course level is Masters, and the deadline for this scholarship is 16 August 2021. Available fields and measures for Malaysia scholarship. First field is economics and banking. Second is business management. Third is science and technology, not including nursing, medicine, clinical pharmacy. Fourth field is international relations and diplomacy. Fifth is public policy and governance. Sixth is agriculture and livestock. Seventh is social science. So in all these fields you can apply for your master's degree. In these programs, Malaysian government allows scholarship in master degree program. So financial coverage, what will be covered in that scholarship? Cost of living allowance, book allowance, tools allowance, house rent allowance, family assistance allowance, placement allowance, thesis allowance, travel allowance, practical training allowance, end of study allowance, tuition fees, medical claims, visa fee. List of universities to study. So in all these universities you can apply for your master degree program. This is a government scholarship, and during government scholarship you have choice of many universities. You can apply in your interest, where your interest is. So you have to search the rankings of the universities individually, then apply for that university. So now I will tell you list of universities to study. You can study and complete your master degree program at any of Malaysian universities given below. University Malaya, University Kebangsaan Malaya. So list is till 20. So you can apply in 20 universities. So you can see the name from 1st to 20th. What's the eligibility criteria for that scholarship? Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program MTCP scholarship applicants must comply to the following criteria. They should not more than 45 years old at the time of application. For the master's degree program, applicants should obtain a minimum of second class upper honors or a minimum CGPA of 3.0 at the undergraduate degree level. Scholars must undertake full study for postgraduate programs at selected higher learning institutions. Please prefer list of universities. Proof of English language proficiency such as IELTS, minimum total score 6.0 or TOEFL based paper-based test with a score of 500 or internet-based test with a score of 60, or applicants obtaining degree with English as medium of instruction may also be accepted. Evidence is prerequisite. So IELTS or TOEFL is not compulsory. So the students which have studied their degree in English as medium of course, they don't require IELTS or TOEFL. Required documents. What are the documents that will be required for scholarship? Will be an application form, a certified copy of passport, a certified copy of academic transcript, a certified copy of English language proficiency tests, TOEFL or IELTS. If you haven't studied your degree in English, letter of recommendation from 2 referees, endorsement from MTCP scholarship, admission offer letter from Malaysian universities if applicable, curriculum vitae, CV, medical examination form. So in this required documents there was one thing, admission offer letter from Malaysian universities. So the list of universities which I have shown, you have to search for that university, and from that university you have to apply for admission. You have to send a proposal to any of professor of that university. If that professor accepts your proposal, that means you can easily get scholarship. And otherwise, if you haven't applied for that admission, it's not compulsory, but it will be benefited if you get admission of a letter from any professor from any university that I have shown you. So deadline of that scholarship is 16 August. The last day to apply for Malaysian Government Scholarship 2021 is 16 August 21. How to apply? All the applicants will complete an online application. To apply for scholarship, visit the official website that I will give you in the link of the that will be in description. So you can get the website link from description of that video. I will give description of I will give link of both that link of that website from which I have shown you that details, and original website from where you can apply. So I can give these 2 links in description of that video. You can see there. Hope you will like that video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will to get updated about scholarships, please subscribe to my channel. I will make these type of videos again. Thank you.